Hi everyone! When the weather gets chilly, there's one snack that comes to mind: steamed buns. Today, we'll be trying pumpkin steamed buns and black rice steamed buns while comparing different cooking methods. The pumpkin steamed bun has a natural sweetness from the pumpkin mixed into the dough, and the black rice steamed bun has black rice blended in, giving it a distinct nutty aroma and flavor. We'll air fry them at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now, let's microwave it for 2 minutes. If you add a cup of water inside, it helps keep the outer layer from getting too hard. Ta-da! The microwaved buns are soft, moist, and fluffy. The air-fried ones have a crispy outer layer and a warm, moist inside. Plus, that toasted dough aroma is amazing. Before winter is over, why not try making some steamed buns at home? Have a simple and delicious day with simplkeimill.